Did you know that India just banned the money-based online games? So let me tell you what is allowed and what has been banned. In August 2025, the Parliament passed the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill. The aim was to stop online gambling games that involve real money. Think of poker apps, Rummy for cash, or fantasy leagues. These were the games where you bet money, and these were the main targets. So, what does the law say? Any game which involves money or betting is banned. Secondly, a new central gaming online authority will regulate the entire sector. And thirdly, if someone violates the law, then they will face penalties for 1 crore or even 3 years of imprisonment. And lastly, even the banks and payment apps cannot process the transaction of these banned games. So even if you try to play, you won't be able to pay. But this does not mean that gaming is illegal. Esports are still encouraged. Educational games, social games, and other games which involve no money are completely fine. In fact, the law wants to promote these games. Another important part is that platforms that do not operate legally have to add strict safeguards now. That means age verification, data protection, and additional checks have to be added. Basically, more responsibility on the gaming companies. So what do you think? Is this bill a step towards protecting the people, or is it a blow to India's gaming industry? Let me know what do you think. Thank you and have a nice day.